Hello and welcome back. This is video number 6, and this video is going to talk about how to brainstorm your teaser outline. So now that you know what you're selling and you have a good idea of how to create curiosity based on the examples previously, let's brainstorm the teaser outline for your video. Now, before I get started, I want to say that do not organize the outline in any way. If your brain says, let's organize this, don't do it. What we're doing is we're doing a creative process, and the idea is to just jot down ideas on a piece of paper or on your computer. The process of reorganizing, that will be in the next video. And the reason why I say that is because the moment you think creatively and you jot down ideas, and you begin to get into this process of trying to reorganize, what happens is your logical brain will come in and it'll shut you down. And your creative mind will not be able to think as clearly. That's why don't worry about the order right now. Just think about the ideas. All right. So step number 1 is based on the video course that you are selling. I want to ask you these questions and I want you to jot them down on a piece of paper or your iPhone or whatever digital device, note-taking advice that you're taking. So what are the reasons why somebody would want the video course? Write that down. Or in other words, what are the problems that they are facing? Based on the previous example, the reason why somebody would want to make their WordPress site search engine friendly in the first place is the ultimate desire that they want better search engine rankings. Most people don't make their WordPress site SEO friendly just to do it. They do it kind of as a pain and a solution to their pain that they want better rankings. So in other words, the pain that they face is not ranking well in the search engines, not getting free traffic to their website from Google or even Yahoo or Bing or other search engines. So I want you to pause this video right now and jot down the ultimate desire. What does that look like in terms of the video course that you are selling right now? Okay, so hopefully you have that written down. Step number 2 is what is the roadblock that is preventing them from reaching the ultimate desire? So you wrote down the desire, but what is preventing them from reaching that? Is it like a technical roadblock? Is it a psychological roadblock? Is it a physical roadblock? So in our case, with the video course, with the WordPress site, remember that in that case, being able to make the WordPress site search engine friendly is merely a technical roadblock. They truly desire better ranking, but they can't do that until they get this technical issue done. So pause the video and write that down in relation to what you're selling. In step number 3, what type of person would fit this? Now, in our case, the type of person that would fit this typically would be somebody who is not technical savvy. Or if they are technical savvy, they may not understand the formula or the process of what it entails to set up and to make a WordPress site search engine friendly. So they could either be a newbie, write that down, or they could be an expert who doesn't know the formula. So write that down. Is it a newbie? Is it a layman? Is it an expert? Is it an advanced person or an intermediate type person? What kind of knowledge would they have? And write that down. So it could be different people, like I said, newbies and experts, and different reasons why there is a roadblock. But by understanding the different types of people that you could be targeting, the better you will understand what you need to convey essentially in your trailer itself. So pause the video, write that down, and then move on to step number 4, which is what are videos that are part of the video course that fit the above. So if I refer back to the WordPress search engine video course, I can think, well, what parts of the video course make it so that a newbie feels comfortable or an expert feels comfortable? Well, if we think about it, the 5 factors video would be important. and then maybe pieces of the screen capture video for how to do it. Because a newbie is going to think, I don't know how to do it. Is it going to be step by step and easy enough? So screen capture video in that case would be crucial for a newbie. An expert, usually they can figure it out themselves, and they would want to know the formula, which would be the 5 factors, and they probably could figure it out themselves. But the newbie themselves they're definitely going to need screen capture video. So pause the video, write that down. Step number 5 is going to be, what are key elements that you jotted earlier during the previous videos that you felt were important to have in your movie trailer or teaser video? So what key elements you jotted down earlier during the previous videos that you felt were important? So pause the video, go ahead, write these answers to all these questions down right now. I already gave you a few for the example video course that we're looking at, and you can use that for yours, but obviously it's going to be a little bit different because you're going to be selling a different video course. All right, so go ahead and do that now, and we'll see you in the next video.